You walk into 2026 like someone's stepping into a buzzing lab where ideas have escaped the page. Picture quantum computers humming quietly, solving chemistry puzzles that let scientists design new medicines and materials in minutes, not years. It feels like having a super smart partner for impossible problems. AR overlays your day, directions, recipes, patient scans, all blended seamlessly into your view. Surgeons glide through anatomy with glowing guides, students dissect virtual frogs without a microscope. The boundary between screen and world softens until it's natural. AI grows beyond tricks into trusted collaborators. It writes, composes, explains, tailored to your voice and needs. That brings incredible convenience, plus tough questions about truth, jobs, and deepfakes. Expect creativity and scrutiny to rise together. Biotech advances rewrite health promises, smarter gene editing, faster vaccine design, and therapies that repair tissue. Some diseases move from chronic to manageable, changing how families plan futures. Together, these trends form a knot of opportunity and responsibility. Quantum, AR, AI, and biotech each spark progress. Combined, they reshape industries and daily life. Which of these excites you or worries you the most? Drop a thought below.